Hello and welcome to Make It Simple. Today we're gonna do pharmacology. Let's get into the video and learn the basics of pharmacology. First of all, we have to learn about the terminologies or those terms which are important and used in pharmacology. First and the most obviously basic one is a drug. The substance that is used to diagnose, prevent, treat, or relieve symptoms of a medical condition is drug. Then we have active ingredients. These are the compounds or specific chemical components which are present in the drug that produce the intended therapeutic effect. Now, receptors are basically the site where these drugs have to carry out their functions. A receptor is like a lock on the cell surface, and drugs are like the keys that fit into these locks. And when the drug binds into the receptor, it changes how the cell works. This is how medicines have their effects in the body. Different drugs fit into different receptors, like different keys fit into different locks. Agonist is a type of drug or substance that activates a specific receptor in the body to produce a biological response. It is like a go signal. When the agonist binds to the receptor, it triggers a series of events that lead to particular effect or action in the body. Agonists can have different levels of activity. There is a full agonist and a partial agonist. Full agonist produces a strong and maximum biological response, whereas the partial agonist produces a relatively weak or moderate limited biological response. Antagonist is a drug that binds into a receptor but does not produce a response, blocking the effect of agonist. With the help of these images, we can understand how agonists work and produce effects in the body. If you pay attention, we can see receptors are made of different shapes and how agonists are able to fit perfectly into them, thus binding themselves into and activating a response. We can also see how antagonists are unable to fit into the receptor and they're like blocking any molecules to fit into the receptor, thus preventing a reaction.